have a set of keys.
Downstairs.
Ever consider the husband was taken and the file as a ransom? All this, it's a setup.
If that were the case, she would have brought us in. Rule number 1 for a kidnapping ransom. Tear this place apart!
Répondiez pas au téléphone.
C'est pas une raison pour débarquer ici.
J'ai besoin de votre aide. S'il vous plaît.
I don't conduct business here.
I don't have time for decorum. I'm fucked.
By who?
By whoever's blackmailing me. And now my own agency, which is nice.
And you're looking for safe passage.
Information. Get me a list of every foreign agent, assassin, and intel broker that's currently in town.
That's expensive.
I have the cash at my safe house. I'll pay you when it's done. Also, I need you to go shopping.
Avery, coming here, you're burning a bridge. I hope it's worth it.